Hi guys, I've come across an amazing website that helps you create ebook covers for free. Amazing! I used to pay $97 for each ebook. This website now lets me save thousands and thousands of dollars because I have over 50 ebooks that I've created and paid for, and now I can do all of that for free. The web address is mentioned up the top, myecovermaker.com. Now, for most part, you can use the features that are made available for free to create your ebook covers. So this training is all about how you can set up your ebook covers for absolutely free. So in the middle here, you see a button that says Start Here. Click on that, and you'll be able to select a design for your ebook cover. You have lots and lots of choices. You can have a paperback style, you can have an open book style, you can have a ring binder like a folder sort of layout style. You can even have DVD cases as well as a binder type style like a workbook. Now for me, I need to create a new ebook cover, and instead of going down my regular path, which was to hire a graphics designer and paying out $97 for each ebook cover, now using this new website that I have stumbled upon, I can create my ebook cover for free. And I need a book cover for my new book, which is all about how to make money with your blog. And I'll show you where I'll be posting that very soon. So the one that I'm going to choose is the paperback stack. And some of the other choices down below are not available unless you sign up. Now there's lots and lots of choices here for the type of background that you can have. And let's try, I like a couple here. I like this one here with green, I think that might be chalk. And I also like one here that's I've seen before that I've used, which is this one here, which is the cloud and grass. So we're going to create two different book covers for the same book to see which one looks better. Now let's try this one here. So this is the background that we're going to have, and you can move this as you see fit, and I think the way that they have it is fine. So you can just click on the shape and move it around until you're happy with the way that you want it for your background on your ebook. Now you can see the preview of what your background will look like on here on the right hand side. So let's select that and continue. And now what we will be able to do is put in the text, the title of our book. Using the buttons up the top here, you can insert images, you can upload your own images that you have on your computer, or insert images from the system. I'm not going to put in any images, or let's see. Well, there is a money back guarantee, so we can use that image. Let's use that. And let's put that down at the bottom here. You can just click on the image that you're working with and move it around. So let's do that. Okay, there is a money back guarantee on my book that I'm publishing. Let's see what other images are available. It's definitely featured because it's featured on my blog and a number of posts. So let's move this over the top right hand corner. Okay. So we can just position that. All I'm doing is clicking the image with my mouse and moving it around. Okay, and what else do we have? I think that's probably enough. Well, this definitely is a limited time offer. Let's just go through. Let's see. I definitely will be providing reseller rights, so let's use that as well. So what I might do is pile up all the benefits, all the different things that are available over here on the right hand side. Okay, and let's see what other images are available. So you can see it's very easy to use. It's got so many features, and it just saves you so much money. I was paying $97 for every time I had to create a ebook, and now I can create ebook covers, DVD covers, newsletter covers, even banners. Okay, so I think that's all we need. We don't need anything else. I think that's probably enough. Now let's see what's on the abstracts tab. Okay, so they look okay. Any shapes and things that we might be able to use. Okay, so there's lots and lots of different features available for you to design your own ebook covers. You can see it's very easy. So that's all I'm going to do for the graphics. Now let's put in some text. So there's some really good features on putting in text as well. So let's put in the title, how to make money with your blog. Now I'm going to select a font that I really like. Now you can see there's lots and lots of different fonts available. So much choice. This is a great website, and most of the functionality, everything I'm doing right now is all for free. They do have some more advanced features that you need to sign up for, or maybe even pay for, I'm not sure. But everything I'm doing right now is all for free. I want to try I did a chalk type of font. And you can also choose different effects as well. I'm going to leave it as is for now, and let's see how that comes out, and we might change it later. So how to make money with your blog, this might look good as well using the gold or the nugget, but let's see what it looks like as is. So I'm going to hit submit and see how this turns out, and it's very fast as well. You don't have to sit here waiting. Now that looks okay, it's in chalk, but I don't like the color. So I'm going to go back in here and I'm going to hit the edit button to change the color. And I don't know, I'm not sure what color is going to work, so we might have to play around with this. But I think we need a darker color, so let's try this darker blue. So let's hit submit on that and see what that looks like. I think that is much better, and I think that looks really good. How to make money with your blog. I'm happy with that, and you can see what did it take us? Probably no more than about 10-15 minutes, maybe even less than that, to create our own ebook cover. Now here's the beauty of it, we're not finished yet. I might move this up a little, so you can just click on your text, move it around, okay, so that it doesn't interfere with the images down below. I think that looks okay. Now here's the beauty of it, guys. We just click on this button here on the right hand side, and you watch the magic. It gives you and goes away and creates a 3D book cover that you would normally have a graphics artist create for you and pay, you know, for me it's been $97 every time I've needed an ebook. So this is great value provided by myecovermaker.com. I'm happy with that. The only thing I'd say is I think we need to move the text down a little, so I can do that. Now one thing I should mention is right now there's a background of white here, so what might be better for most of you is to have it so that the background is transparent, so that it works on any blog. So if you have a blue background on your blog or wherever it is that you're pasting this image, you can paste it without having a white box around it. So click on the transparent, and you can also make these bigger. Okay, there's a little button here that you can make your cover bigger, so I might just do that, and just okay. And now I think that's perfect. I do want to move this down a bit, so I can do that as well. I'm going to download this onto my computer, and let's click on that to open it and just make sure it's come up. So there we go, our book cover created in, I think, only within 5 to 10 minutes, and it looks really good. Looks like a fantastic ebook cover. Now what I want to do is try and move this text down a bit. I think it was right in its original position, and I'm not sure if we can actually go in and change it, or do we have to go in and redo it again. So I don't really see any edit button here. Okay, so let's click on create e-cover again, and let's try one of the different styles. Let's see the difference. So I'm going to click the same type of book, but I want to change the background. I like this background, so I'm going to try this particular one. I'm going to leave the I like the preview here on the right, so that looks fine. Leave that as is. And I'm going to select the same images that we had before. So we had a money back guarantee image, so I'm going to select that and position that down here on the right hand side. And we're going to also, the other image I think we used was the featured one, so I'm going to select that and position that on the top right hand corner because it's featured on my blog. I'm going to post this all over the web. I'm also going to post maybe a video on this as well on my actual book. So just make sure that's right up against the edge. Okay. And there was one more, which was that I have also providing resale rights. So something you should look at when it's available and market this product and keep all the profits. Where is that? So resale rights. Where did we see that before? Okay. Resale. There we go. Reseller rights. So gonna move that over here as well. Okay. And now let's see if there's any other images that I needed. I don't think there was. I do want to say something like instant download because you can download these books immediately. And just to make sure that people know it's a digital book. You know, it's not something I'm going to be mailing out to them. So I remember seeing something I've used in the past which sort of indicates that it's something you download. Something to designate that this is a digital product. And maybe it's this area here. I wish there was like a download now sort of a image, but that's fine. We can work with what we have. Okay, I'll use this. Okay. Now, because this is green and we already have green, let's see if we can. Yeah, I think that's fine. Let's just move this. Not sure if I'll keep that there, but let's see if there's any other images that we can use. Something that makes more sense. There's no real instant download. That's better. Okay, let's use that instead. There we go. So now we clearly know that it's a digital product. Now we don't need this one anymore, so I'm just going to click on that and hit the delete key. Whoops. Okay, that doesn't seem to work, so there must be, there we go, a cut. So let's do that, cut the selected area. I'm not sure really if that's what we want to do either. Never really deleted a image before. Okay, let's see if there's any other buttons. Maybe this delete button might do. Okay, exactly, just what we needed. So I clicked on the image and up the top there's a delete button here in the top right hand corner, and that got rid of that image for us. So I think what we have here is what we need. Let's now put in the text that we need for our book. And the book's all about how to make money with your blog. And the font I'm going to use this time, let's try this one here. And we should also just select the color, and I think a bluish color, a sort of a dark blue color should work. So let's see what that looks like. Okay, so I think we need to move that up a little, not too much. And I think what we should do is maybe move these images down this way so that they're not interfering with the actual text. So if we can move that, oops, okay. And now position this appropriately. Let's just scroll up to see how that looks. How to make money with your blog. I think that looks okay. I don't really like the color of the font there. So let's just go back and edit our text. And let's choose, let's see if there's another font. Let's try this font. And with the color, I think let's just make it a little lighter. I think that's just too dark what we have. So maybe gotta be careful because our background is also quite light blue as well. Let's try that. So again, folks, just play around with the program. There's lots of different choices. This looks like a better font. I like the font, but I don't like the color. So I'm going to go back in here. I think what we need is like a silver type color, or maybe a black color. Let's see if we can get a darker color. Let's try this one here. Let's try black, see how that goes. Okay, I think that works better. Yep, I think we can increase the size of the font as well. Just click on edit again and see if we can get a size, font size. I'm not sure if there is a font size. Maybe outline might help us. Let's try that. Yeah. Let's see what that does. Always good to play around. I don't think it's okay. That looks good. Yeah, that looks okay. Okay, I might just bring this down a bit so the blog is more closer to the green. I think we can probably make this bigger by dragging, using this drag and drop there. Okay, so okay, I think that looks really good now. How to make money with your blog, and featured. Okay, I'm gonna now hit the finalize button and let the system go away and set up our 3D ebook cover. Okay, that looks really good. So you can see that it's come up really nice. I really like this background. This is most likely the one that I'm going to choose. Now, what I think we need to do right now, you can see this has a white background. So if you post this picture on a blue background blog, then you'll see a white box around it. So the best thing to do here, you'll see this little option here to make the background transparent. That's the way you should save your images, so that you can put them on any background. Your blog or your website can have a background of any color and it won't interfere with your book. So I'm also just making the actual image of the ebook cover a bit bigger so that I can paste it. But that's fine, I can do that in other programs as well. So I really like that. I'm going to now hit the download button to download our ebook cover. So we now have two different types of ebooks that we have set up. Let's look and open this up to make sure it looks right. So that looks really good, and I encourage all of you to go and visit the website myecovermaker.com. I'm not in any way affiliated with this website. I stumbled upon it and I think it offers some great value to all of you who have digital products that you want to market on your website. I hope you enjoyed this training. I'll see you in another training in the future. Thank you.